Hello, today I want us to look at inverse of trigonometric function. So we shall begin. Now, the trigonometric function, from this we have what we call the trigonometric identities. The common one, the sine, the cos theta, and the tan theta. I know from the right angle triangle, from the unit circle, given angle theta, point P here, and we can have point N here, we can easily be able to identify any of our identity. So we can say let the distance from O to N be x, and that from N to P be y. Good. Then we know that sine theta is opposite over hypotenuse from SOHCAHTOA. Now, the inverse of this is going to be 1 over sine theta. Inverse simply means you take the reciprocal. Reciprocal means 1 over what is given. If you have been given A, then you want to find the reciprocal of A, it means 1 over A. Like that, or inverse. So, the reciprocal of sine theta is 1 over sine theta. That means that if the reciprocal of sine theta is 1 over sine theta, then since sine theta is opposite over hypotenuse, then 1 over sine theta will be the reciprocal of these two. We interchange opposite and hypotenuse. So you can see that opposite will go to the numerator and opposite will go to the denominator, hypotenuse will go to the numerator. They are going to swap. Hope you can see that. Now, the other thing is this 1 over sine theta. 1 over sine theta is called cosecant theta. That's another name for 1 over sine theta. So instead of saying 1 over sine theta, we can say cosecant. Or we can come up with a short form of cosecant, which is cosec theta. It can also be written as this. The key letter here is S. The third letter here, S. S stands for sine. So cosec theta is equals to 1 over sine theta. That's one of the things I want us to know. That is the first inverse of the trigonometric function of sine. Now let us go to the next one, cos. Cos theta is equals to adjacent over hypotenuse. The inverse of cos theta is going to be 1 over cos theta, which is going to be, we also interchange the adjacent and hypotenuse. Therefore, we are going to have hypotenuse over adjacent. But instead of writing 1 over cos theta, 1 over cos theta can also be referred to as secant theta. Or in short form, we say sec theta. Look at the third letter. C stands for cos. Is equals to 1 over cos theta. Good. That's good. Then the last one is tan theta. Tan theta is equals to opposite over adjacent. The inverse of tan theta is 1 over tan theta. That means we will take the reciprocal of opposite and adjacent, which is going to be adjacent over opposite. Now, instead of saying 1 over tan theta, 1 over tan theta is also referred to as cotangent theta. Cotangent theta is the same as saying 1 over tan theta. In short form, we call it cot. We call it cot. You can say sec, cot, cosec. We're going to call it cot theta is equals to 1 over tan theta. And that is how we can get the inverse of the trigonometric ratios of sine, cos, and tan. Take note, sec. Don't say that it is sine. Look at the third letter, cos. Cosecant. Cosec. Look at the third letter, is S. That is sine. Cotangent. Cot. Look at the third letter, T. T stands for tan. That's how you identify the inverse of sine, cos, and tan. So in our next lesson, we are going to look at an example on this. Thank you.